Okay, what I want to do real quick before I call it a day is discuss the different forms and where to start and the benefits and like the gimmies, like the freebie information that you get from all of these. Just kind of nice in one little video where you don't have to like dig through all the the other videos like to find that one specific part that I might have said something. Um, I'm still assuming that you know how to graph. I'm not going to graph one thing here. I'm just going to talk about what's important. Okay, so this one here, you're going to get y is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k. Okay, obviously the biggest thing that you're going to get for free is you are going to get the vertex for free. Okay, you're going to get that vertex for free. What is the vertex? It's whatever your h value is, comma, your k value. Okay, as a result from this, you also get the axis of symmetry for free. Okay, and that is going to be x is equal to h, right? Whatever that h value is. So basically, when you have your vertex form, okay, you want to look at the h value and the k value. Remember, this is a little bit backwards. And so what do you want to do? You want to start by graphing the vertex. Okay, always start by graphing the vertex, go from there. Okay, standard form. Okay, standard form is y is equal to a x squared plus bx plus c. Okay, standard form probably is the most inconvenient of all of them. Really, the only free information that you get is the y-intercept. That being said, well, the y-intercept, which is 0, comma c. That being said, you do get some stuff, such as you get your axis of symmetry, okay, which is x is equal to the opposite of b divided by 2a. Okay, so where should you start when you're doing these ones? You actually want to start with axis of symmetry. Okay, you want to start with your axis of symmetry, then use that x value to get vertex. So a lot of times these problems, you just need to get started. And once you get started, you're going to find using the properties like flipping them across the axis of symmetry and such. That's kind of the place to go and where to start with standard form, right? So use your opposite of b over 2a. Standard form is definitely the least convenient, but it still gives you some good bits of information. What about intercept form? Okay, so intercept form is y is equal to a times x minus p times x minus q. What's the free information it gives you? Okay, it gives you the x-intercepts. Okay, it's going to be p comma 0 and q comma 0. Okay, the way I taught it is to set factors equal to 0. Okay. That's really kind of the only free information. In part, you get the axis of symmetry from it, but I'm going to talk where. Okay, where do you want to start? Okay, you want to start with both x-intercepts, okay, and then followed by the axis of symmetry, which is in between the two intercepts. Okay, so again, I just wanted to give us a little bit more of a broad general form of like what's the really easy things that you want to be looking for when you have these three forms, because it's pretty easy to get these confused. But if you have kind of the general basics down, like if you get the freebie information out of all of these, all the other stuff, the approach to getting those is going to be the exact same. So I don't think it would be all that strenuous. Otherwise, that's it. That's all I wanted to give you. Just a quick bit of information on one nice, neat spot where it's going to give you the consensus of the free information that you're going to get out of each of these forms. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.